Weche mago moko wayudo kanyo ni kuom ndalo 21 duto te chenro mago mag thieth osebedo kod ng'ikruok e kaunti mano ma Elgeyo Marakwet, kama bende lakteche osebedo ka ong'anyo ka bende gintiere kod ng'ur mago mopogore opogore. Lakteche go kane loso ewi gino ma bende ok gisebedo ka gichwalo chenro go mago mag tije ne oganda mawuok Elgeyo Marakwet, ne gilero ni gintiere kod ng'ur kaka ne gidwaro mar mondo mi ober lwasi gi mano mar tich, omed gi lemo ka achiel kod neno ni singo duto te mago ma bende ne osingnegi ochopo kare.
Kwa hivyo tunasema ile ambayo tunauliza leo na ile ambayo tulianza kuuliza wakati tulianza mgomo wetu imeisha kama wiki 3 sasa, na tuoni kama county ina haraka ya kumaliza huu mgomo.
But nothing has happened up to this point, and that is why we are on strike, and we have said we are not going back to work until those issues are sorted out. Otherwise, we will be on strike over and over for the same issues. It does not even make sense. You cannot be going back to the streets for the same issues for 2 years.
If you can ask yourself, for the last 21 days we have been on strike, how many people have died? How many revenue this county have actually lost per day? It's into millions. When the issue is supposed to address, it's not even more than 50,000 per month. If there is any increment on, if he actually does those promotions, like the job group S promotions and the resignations.
As a union, we are also here to push back those injustices meted against our members, and we are saying enough is enough. And we want to ask the residents of Elgeyo Marakwet to make their governor accountable, to make him responsible, so that akuwe raia, governor wa raia, si wa kuumiza raia.